I'll not directly jump onto the setup part, that how do you run Python in your own computer. Right now, I'll simply use an online IDE, right? We'll do the setup also in the coming days, but for simplicity's sake, right now, we'll simply use the online IDE. So I'll just put this in the group also, in the, sorry, chat also. So you can also open it and we can start writing Python code. In fact, if you see, the first code is already written. I'll remove all of this, which is the hello world code. So simply we say print. Print is a predefined keyword in Python. So we introduce another term, keyword. So what is a keyword? Keyword in Python, generally it is called as built-in also, built-ins. So keywords are special commands with which you can do certain things, right? So as an example, if you want to print something on this shell, this chat box with which you interact with the program. So for that, if you want to put something on this chat box, then you write it using print. So you say print, then in brackets, you can print whatever you want, right? So for example, if I want to print a number 123, I can just do this and you'll see that 123 is put on the shell part. Does that make sense? So print is a special keyword. So you write print followed by brackets. In that you can put whatever you want and it will show on the like computer, right? On the shell part as an output. Does this make sense? Yes or no? Simple print, how it works? Yes, no? So this is the chat box that I was talking about, with which we will be using to interact with our program, right? In real world, this print might go to a file, might go to a database, might go to a network, right, as a response. But right now, for simplicity, we are using this print to print on this console, which is nothing but like a chat box. Yes or no? Okay. So we have printed 1, 2, 3. If we want to print a string, so I will introduce something known as a string. String is what? Nothing but a sequence of characters, right? This was a number, so we could directly say print the number. If we want to put a sequence of characters, then we put them inside these quotes. So as soon as you put something inside quotes, it becomes something known as a string. So if we run this, we are able to get hello world also here. Does this simple code make sense to print something as an output to the console?